Hi dear YouTubers, I will show you how to fix the inaccessible boot device error in Windows 11 in this tutorial. So let's begin. Inaccessible boot device errors are often hard to diagnose because many problems could cause them. They usually result in a blue screen of death that doesn't go away until you address the issue. It often appears after you have made a recent change to the computer, whether software or hardware. You could also see it during a Windows installation. It usually triggers an automatic reboot and maybe even an automatic repair attempt by Windows. The message that precedes the error often looks like this: your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We are just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. Although this is a common error, it doesn't have a single reason behind it. There are several things you can try to get rid of it and boot back into Windows. Follow these steps that I'm going to tell you in order and reboot after each one to check if it was successful. Solution number 1. Restart the computer. A simple reboot is sometimes all that necessary. Solution number 2. Undo any recent changes made to the computer. If the inaccessible boot device error appeared after an obvious change, reversing it will most likely be the fix. Solution number 3. Using system restore is another way to undo recent system changes. Try this if the previous step was unhelpful. Solution number 4. Update any missing or outdated driver. Usually drivers related to the hard drive that are corrupt or missing would cause the inaccessible boot device error, so looking there first would be wise. If you are not sure where to start, use a tool that updates the driver for you. We highly recommend Driver Booster for this. Solution number 5. Select Troubleshoot from the ASO menu and go to Advanced Options, Startup Repair to run an automatic repair. Sometimes Windows will fix the BSOD error this way without much intervention from you. Solution number 6. If Startup Repair didn't work, try Troubleshoot Advanced Options, System Image Recovery. Also from the ASO menu, this feature will restore Windows from a system image backup if you have one. Solution number 7. The Advanced Startup option menu also lets you access command prompts. Go to Troubleshoot Advanced option, command prompt, and then do this. Change the working directory to the Windows folder by typing C followed by enter. Type dir and make sure you see some Windows folders. If not, try D and then dir again and check that folder. Dir command results in command prompt. Once you are working out of the current drive, run the check disk command by typing check disk /r. Solution number 8. Boot to BIOS and change the SATA mode setting to be either IDE or AHCE, whichever is currently is not. Some users have had luck correcting the BSOD by switching this mode, but it probably will only work if you recently made a BIOS change to cause this to happen, like if you just updated BIOS. To go there, look for an integrator peripheral area of the setting. It might be under an advanced section. Solution number 9. Use command prompt to restore some registered file from a backup. This process is quite involved because we need to go through two sets of steps. Backup 5 items. First, we'll back up the currently used data in case something goes wrong. Boot to the ASO menu if you are not already there. Go to Troubleshoot Advanced Options, command prompt. Log into the local user account if asked. Enter C 2 or D 2 depending on the drive later assigned to the Windows. If you are not sure, see step 7 above. Enter this cd windows /system32 /config/regback. Enter dir and confirm that the item listed don't have a 0 value. If they do have a 0 value, skip this step entirely and move on to step 8 below. Enter cd ... to return to the config folder. Backup these 5 items by renaming them. Enter the command as it's written here. Press enter and then Do the same for the rest of the commands. Rename default by default.all, rename same by same.all, rename security by security.all, rename software by software.all, rename system by system.all. Copy the older ones. Now that the originals have been isolated, we can restore some older backup to see if that fixes the error. Go to the regbag folder by cd regbag, copy all the data from regbag into config, use a space before the first asterisk and after the second one, copy asterisk, space asterisk, then point asterisk space point. When you see the file, copy the exit command prompt. On the else menu, choose continue to admin to start Windows 10. The last option is to reset Windows 10 or 11. During this process, you can choose to keep your files and remove everything. Either way, you will get a refreshed set of operating system files, and that should be enough to clear away the inaccessible boot device BSOD error. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon at the following tutorials. Bye.